Yeah. So guys, in this video, we are going to work with arithmetic operators. So basically, operators are those symbols which helps us to perform various functions. So there are different types of operators as well, out of which one is arithmetic operator. So it basically means performing mathematical operations. Just like in our last videos, we have seen adding the two numbers, finding the difference, products, and the quotient. So similarly, this video is totally denoted to arithmetic operators. So let's take an example of finding the average and total marks of a student. So suppose find total marks and average of a student. So first of all, the first thing which we'll be needing is the variables, the different subject and their marks. So let's take an example of 5 subjects. E as in English. Suppose the marks. Let's take the marks from users. Int, input, and here enter the marks of English. Science, S as in science. Everything is going to be same, so I'm just copying this entire line and pasting it here. M as in maths. Again, the same thing. H as in Hindi. And at last, C as in chemistry. Chemistry. First of all, we have to find the total marks of it. So I'm making a variable total marks. Oops, this one is wrong. Like we cannot add some special symbols or space in between the variable names. However, we can add an underscore in order to separate long variable, like total underscore marks. It is more clear now. Equals to E plus S plus M plus H plus C. Now print command total marks for out of 500. Let's add equivalent to separate. Here we will write total underscore marks. Now we have to find average. So before finding the average, let's work upon this part. Save it. Fourth row dot py f5. So here are the total marks of the students scored out of 500. That is 347. Now we have to find the average marks. You can say average or percentage. So I'm taking AVG as the variable. Now, how do we calculate the average marks? We will just sum the total marks divided by number of subjects. So it is quite simple. We are having the sum of all the मार्क्स इन टोटल मार्क्स, सारे मार्क्स का सम हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस वेरिएबल upon 5 because we were having 5 subjects up here. Print the average marks are ABG. Save. Again as 5. So here are the total marks and here are the average marks. I hope this program is clear to you all. Alright, so this is how we can also make a mark sheet and find the total marks as well as the average of a student. However, in our later on videos, we are going to know how to find the grades. ग्रेड्स कैसे फाइंड करने हैं कंडीशन बेसिस पे हम वो भी सीखेंगे। लाइक किसी के 70% आए तो ही गॉट बी ग्रेड, किसी के 95% आए ही गॉट ए ग्रेड। सो ये सारी चीजें भी आगे आने वाले प्रोग्राम्स में सीखने वाले हैं। सो इन टुडेज वीडियो यू लर्न हाउ टू जस्ट यूज द करेक्ट वेरिएबल्स, how to input, how to ask for the input from user, how to find the total or how to find the average. Like here we have used basically two arithmetic operators. The first is additional, the second is this division. Thank you for watching this video. Let's catch up in the next part.